Hello, and welcome to Keep Information Systems Simple's video on GoalSeek. Today we'll walk through two different scenarios of GoalSeek. We're going to use the GoalSeek tools under the what-if analysis to help us determine what we have to hit, what our goal is in order to hit a specific other goal. And so we're going to look at our first example here is a simple grade book. In column B we have the possible points on specific assignments. In possible C, we have the grade earned on each of those assignments. Here in B3, we're going to figure out our total possible points. So we're going to summarize B6 to B11. And then the other calculation that we have is C12. And in C12, we're going to take the sum of C6 through C11, and we're going to divide that by the total possible points and then multiply it by 100 to give us our final percentage. So in order for the GoalSeek to work, there's got to be formulas here based off of this type of data. So in this scenario, we're going to say that our final is worth 100 points. And you can see that automatically, because of the formula is built, reduces our overall score. But we understand that as we enter a grade into our final score, that will update this. And so now we want to figure out what score we have to get on the final to get a desired average. To do that, we're going to click on the Data tab and come to What If Analysis and select GoalSeek. The GoalSeek menu helps us greatly. I want to set cell C12, that's what I want my average. What's my goal? I want to set that to a value of 90%. I'm going to assume anything above a 90% is an A. By changing cell B11. And once we do this, this will run the calculation to figure out what score we have to get on the final to get the desired average of a 90%. So we'll click OK. It'll run through some calculations, and it shows us we need to get 116 out of 100 points. And so that's not possible. And so we'll go to our next GoalSeek, and we'll say we want to set C12 to an 80% by changing C11 and click OK. And it runs through and shows us we only need a 71% to keep an 80, which would be a B. The other sheet that we have here I want to show you is an income statement, if you will, a summary of an income statement. We have 4 quarters. We have each quarter's gross sales. This company that we're looking at has an average profit margin of 21%. In here, we've used that profit margin times the gross sales to calculate our net income. Our net income is calculated by adding up all 4 quarters to get a goal. And so in here, what we want to do is we want to figure out what our gross sales have to be in quarter 4 in order for our annual net to be $500,000. So what I'm going to do again, click the data ribbon, click What If Analysis, GoalSeek. And in here, I want to set cell D7 to a value of $500,000 by changing B4. And so this will go through and calculate what gross sales I have to have in the 4th quarter to give me a annual net of $500,000. And we'll simply click OK. It runs through the calculation for us, and we can say OK, and we can see that we need to have $572,332.28 worth of gross sales to get a net of $500,000 for the year. Just a tool that we can use to help us figure out what our goal is. The GoalSeek does not make any business decisions for us. It simply provides us with numbers to help us make a business decision. Thank you very much.